This video explains the data network used on Oregon RFID's readers. Here is an ORSR single antenna reader and an ORMR multiple antenna reader connected by a network cable. Each reader has two RJ45 jacks that are connected with Cat5 Ethernet cable. One jack is labeled network in and the other network out. The network cable connects the out to in jacks. The cable can be up to 1 kilometer long. The reader connected to the out becomes the network host, and the rest are nodes that can be controlled by the host. More nodes can be added to the network by connecting each out to in. Any mix of ORSR single antenna readers, ORMR multiple antenna readers, and ORHF high frequency readers can be connected. Two waterproof RJ45 plug covers are included with each reader. You'll need a tool to crimp the connectors onto the cable. The connectors are wired the same on both ends, and it's best if the same color wires are adjacent. Blue solid next to blue stripe, brown solid next to brown stripe, etc. There's a video on this Oregon RFID YouTube channel that shows how to assemble them. The host sends the time of day to all nodes on the network. A pulse is also sent to precisely synchronize all reader clocks to within a fraction of a millisecond. There are different types of time that are indicated with a letter. The type of time on the host is shared with the nodes. If the host has an uncalibrated time entered with a DT command, all nodes will have the same time with an end to indicate they are referenced to the host. If the host has a GPS signal, all nodes will show their time with a G. The host can remotely access the console of any node to use commands to operate that node. Access to the host can be with a laptop, Android tablet, or phone. A terminal emulator program is used to type commands and receive the results. The connection can be made using a USB to serial cable or with a wireless Bluetooth link. Here is how it works. Here are two readers, and we're directly connected to the ORSR on the left. The H at the start of the prompt indicates this is the host. Z means the reader is off, G means we have a GPS signal, and B means the beeper is on. Type ST to wake the reader to standby mode. The prompt changes to S to show the reader is in standby. Typing NL allows the list of readers on the network to be displayed. The second column shows a 3-letter site code of each reader. This is set with the SC command. The reader name is in the last column, and it's entered with the RN command. The status of each reader is displayed, including the type, firmware version, reader status, mode, supply voltage in amps, and the number of new and total detection records, as well as the beeper status. The SL command selects the node by site code. The prompt shows the site code in brackets to show we're now connected to the ORMR reader's console. The prompt for the ORMR shows N it's a node, Z means it's off, G means it's using GPS time from the host, and the beeper is currently off. Type ST and we can start the ORMR reader. We can tune an antenna on the ORMR, and almost any command can be typed to a node except NL and SL, which only work from the host. Firmware updates also cannot be done over the network. Type SL to disconnect from the node and return to the host.